What is the most bizarre thing you caught yourself doing after your brain's autopilot misfired? 1. I picked up my toothbrush to brush my teeth, but I also had the urge to pee, so I obviously tossed my toothbrush into the toilet. 2. I took the metro home then realized I drove to work. That was a long night. 3. Cup of coffee in left hand, phone in the right hand. Go to my room, take a sip of my phone and throw coffee on the bed. 4. I sat there at an intersection in suburban Palo Alto at 11 p.m., patiently waiting for the stop sign to change. 5. Rubbed aftershave in my hair and put gel on my face. The worst part was that after I put the aftershave in my hair, I laughed at myself and thought, what was all that about? And then added the hair gel to my skin. 6. Was jogging late at night. A guy reached out his hand in front of me as I passed.